Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher. Today, I'm going to teach you exercise 14C of lesson number 14. The topic of the lesson is time, and today in this exercise, we will learn the multiplication and division of time. So, let's get started.
Children, in the previous exercise we have done the addition and subtraction of time. In this exercise we will do the multiplication and division of time. So let us learn how we will do this. The first example is multiply 1 hour 15 minutes 20 seconds by 4. So let us see how we will do it. We will make 3 columns. On the extreme left hand side it will be hour, in the middle it will be minute, and on the extreme right hand side it will be seconds. Now we will multiply hour, minutes and seconds separately. So first we will start from the multiplication of seconds. 20 seconds multiplied by 4 is equal to 80 seconds. 15 minutes multiplied by 4 is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 hours. So the product is 4 hours plus 60 minutes plus 80 seconds. Now children, if the product has 60 seconds or more, or 60 minutes or more than 60 minutes, we will do regrouping as shown. 4 hour plus 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 hour. So we will write 1 hour plus 80 seconds, which is equal to 60 seconds plus 20 seconds. Now children, 4 hour plus 1 hour is equal to 5 hour, and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute plus 20 seconds. So the final product is 5 hour 1 minute 20 seconds. Clear? Now children, let's see the second example. In this example, we will divide 10 hour 5 minutes 15 seconds by 9. So let us see how we will do this division. We will write hour, minutes and seconds separately, and we will do the division of hour, minutes and seconds separately. So first of all, we will start the division from the hour. So we will divide 10 hour by 9. So 9 ones are 9, as we know. So the remainder comes 1. Now this is 1 hour is left. When we divide 10 hour by 9, 1 hour is left. Now this 1 hour will go to the minutes section. And before going to the minutes section, we have to change this 1 hour to minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes will go to the minute section, and 60 minutes plus 5 minutes is equal to 65 minutes. Right? That is, we have to convert the remainder of a step and add to the number of the next step. Means we have here the remainder is 1, and this 1 will first we will change this 1 hour to minute, and which is equal to 60 minutes, and now it will move to the next step. And now when we bring down minutes or second, we will bring down the full number. So what is the number in the minute section? It is 5. So we'll bring down 5 minutes, which will be added to 60 minutes, and it will be 65 minutes. So now divide 65 minutes by 9. So now the remainder is coming 2 minutes. Now children, this 2 minutes will go to the second section by changing 2 minutes to seconds, which is equal to 120 seconds. So 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds, and when 120 seconds will be added to 15 seconds, it will be equal to 135 seconds. So now we will divide 135 seconds by 9. 9 ones are 9. 13 minus 9. 4, and then 5 carries down 45. So 9 5s are 45. So this way, when we divide 10 hour 5 minutes 15 seconds by 9, our answer is coming as 1 hour 7 minutes 15 seconds. Now children, let's come to exercise 14C. We will do the G part of question number 1, which is multiply 1 hour 15 minutes 10 seconds by 8. So we will multiply hour, minutes and seconds separately, and we will start the multiplication from seconds. So 10 seconds multiplied by 8 is equal to 80 seconds. 15 minutes multiplied by 8 is equal to 120 minutes, and 1 hour multiplied by 8 is equal to 8 hours, right? So the product is 8 hour plus 120 minutes plus 80 seconds. Now children, we will do the regrouping. So 8 hour plus 120 minutes is equal to 2 hour plus 80 seconds is equal to 60 seconds plus 20 seconds. So in the next step, 8 hour plus 2 hour is equal to 10 hour, and 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute plus 20 seconds. So it will be equal to 10 hour 1 minute 20 seconds. Therefore, the product is equal to 10 hour 1 minute 20 seconds. Now let's come to the next question. It is H part of question number 1. Multiply 4 hour 12 minutes 17 seconds by 9. So let us see how we will do this. We will again do the multiplication of hour, minutes and seconds separately, starting from the multiplication of seconds. So 17 seconds multiplied by 9 is equal to 153 seconds. 12 minutes multiplied by 9 is equal to 100 minutes, and 4 hour multiplied by 9 is equal to 36 hour. So the product is 36 hour plus 108 minute plus 153 seconds. Now we will do the regrouping of minutes and seconds. So 36 hour plus 100 minute is equal to 60 minutes plus 48 minutes, and 153 seconds is equal to 120 seconds plus 33 seconds, right? Therefore, 36 hour plus 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour plus 48 minutes plus 120 seconds is equal to 2 minutes plus 33 seconds. So now it is equal to 37 hour 50 minutes 33 seconds. So the product is equal to 37 hour 50 minutes 33 seconds. Now children, let's come to the second question of this exercise. We will do the G part of second question. It is divide 22 hour 5 minutes 6 seconds by 7. So let us see how we will do this. We will write hour in the hour column, minutes in the minute column and seconds in the second column, and we will do the division of hour, minutes, seconds separately. So we will start the division from the hour. So 22 hour divided by 7. We will get the remainder as 1, and in the quotient we will get 3 hour. Now this 1 hour will be equal to 60 minutes, and this 60 minute will go to the minute section, and 60 minutes plus 5 minutes is equal to 65 minutes, right? So now we will divide 65 minutes by 7. So 7 3s are 6, 7 9s are 63, and 65 minus 63 is equal to 2. So here, when we will divide 65 minutes by 7, we get the remainder as 2 minutes. Now this 2 minute is equal to 120 seconds. So this 120 seconds will go to the second section, and 120 seconds plus 6 seconds is equal to 126 seconds, and we will divide 126 seconds by 7. So 7 ones are 7, 12 minus 7 is equal to 5, and now 56 divided by 7, we know it is equal to 8. So the remainder is 0. Therefore, 22 hours 5 minutes 6 seconds divided by 7 is equal to 3 hours 9 minutes 18 seconds. Now children, let's do the H part of question number 2. Divide 34 hours 9 minutes 4 seconds by 8. So let us see how we will do. Again, we will do the division of hour, minutes, seconds separately, starting from the division of hour. So 34 hour divided by 7. We know that 8 fours are 32. So 34 minus 32 is equal to 2. So now remainder is 2, and this 2 will go to the minute section as 2 hour is equal to 120 minutes. So 120 minutes plus 9 minutes is equal to 129 minutes, and now we will divide 129 minutes by 8. So 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, and now it will be 49. Now 49 divided by 8, 8 6 are 48. So 49 minus 48, the remainder is 1. Now this 1 minute will change to seconds, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So it will go to the second section as 60 seconds, and 60 seconds plus 4 seconds is equal to 64 seconds. Now we will divide 64 seconds by 8, and we know that 8 8s are 64. So the remainder is 0. Therefore, 34 hour 9 minutes 4 seconds divided by 8 is equal to 4 hour 16 minutes 8 seconds. So now let's come to the third question of this exercise, which is the word sum. It says a program started at 5:30 p.m. If it lasted 3 hours 45 minutes, at what time did it finish? So let us see how we will do this word sum. The time at which the program started is 5:30 p.m., which is also equal to 17:30 hours in the 24-hour clock. Now, the program lasted for 3 hours 45 minutes, which is the duration of the program. So, the program finished at 17:30 hours plus 3 hours 45 minutes, where 17:30 hours is the time at which it started. So now, when we will add 17:30 hours and 3 hours 45 minutes, what do we get? Let us see. We get 30 minutes plus 45 minutes is equal to 75 minutes, which is equal to 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, and which is in turn is equal to 1 hour 15 minutes. So in the minute section we will write 15 minutes, and 1 hour will be carried to the hour section. So now in the hour section we will add 1 hour plus 17 hour plus 3 hour, which is equal to 21 hour. So the program finished at 21:15 hour, which is equal to 9:15 p.m. in the 12-hour clock. So I hope you have understood this question. So now let's move to the next question. Now children, let's come to question number 4 of this exercise. It says a match finished at 7:45 p.m. If the match took 2 hour 30 minute, at what time did it start? Let's see the solution. The time at which the match finished is equal to 7:45 p.m. in the evening, which is also equal to 12 plus 7, 19:45 hours in the 24-hour clock, right? The match took how many hours? Well, it took 2 hours 30 minutes. So, the match started at 19:45 hours minus 2 hours 30 minutes, where 19:45 hour is the time at which the match get finished. So, when we subtract 2 hours 30 minutes from 19 hour 45 minutes, what do we get? Let us see. 45 minutes minus 30 minutes is equal to 15 minutes, and 19 hour minus 2 hour is equal to 70 hour. So, the time at which the match started is equal to 17:15 hour, which is equal to 5:15 p.m. in the 12-hour clock, and this is our answer. So I hope you have understood all the questions of this exercise very well. And so children, now let's come to the home assignment. Now children, this is your home assignment, and you are supposed to do question number 1 and question number 2 of your home assignment in your maths homework copy in a very neat and clean handwriting. Thank you, my dear students, for watching the video lesson till the end. Keep watching, keep learning.